A city. A baby. A cherry. A country. A battery. A family. One cherry. Many cherries. One battery. Many batteries. One baby. Many babies. One city. Many cities. One country. Many countries. One family. Many families. One boy. Many boys. One key. Many keys. Are there many cherries on the dish? No, there aren't many cherries on the dish. Are there many babies on the chair? No, there aren't many babies on the chair. Are there many batteries in the box? No, there aren't many batteries in the box. Are there many boys on the bus? No, there aren't many boys on the bus. Are there many countries in this picture? No, there aren't many countries in this picture. Are there many cities in this country? No, there aren't many cities in this country. Are there many batteries in the box? No, there aren't many batteries in the box. Are there many babies on the chair? No, there aren't many babies on the chair. Are there many families in this picture? No, there aren't many families in this picture.